Back up.
Woo.
29 inches in the ass. And good morning to everyone. We're off to Mansfield today, which is Dufferin Forest Tract, west of Alliston, Ontario. I just thought I'd catch this guy out for his morning high-speed run. Yes, he's actually moving. Doing his best to get from A to somewhere between A and B. And he looks like he's doing about an inch a minute, or 2 inches a minute. So I wish him well. Anyway, have a great day. Okay, so this is Mansfield, and we're gonna have to look out for all the turkey hunters. So nobody dressed like a turkey, or you could end up late Thanksgiving dinner. Alright, here we are, Mansfield. Like I said, never been here before. Don't know where the hell I'm going. They're keeping people away from the boards. Okay, we're back on trail. We go straight. We're going straight. See, I tell you, just loses his freaking mind. Well, what? Get out your way! I'm blocking the trail. I'm that fat. Christ. All right. You need some beep, 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 beep. Immediate engagement. Still trying to get used to that. So my dropper post wins because it allows all that technical and downhill stuff. But on an uphill, having my seat down is a complete 0 out of 10. I need that support to manage the bike when I'm climbing hard technical. Back up. 29 inches in the ass. Ah. Yep, definitely having fun. Yep, straight through. So even if you memorize what trails you have to ride, all it says most of the time is nothing. Whoa! Almost clipped that tree. I have to stop looking down at this thing and just focus on the trail. Eyes on the trail. Oh, look at that. Good place for somebody to put a timing station for races, to put a camera up. That Dawn's Crack Burger is really kicking in. It's like multiple guests. If you pick a route, usually you should just do it because your mind's committed to it. You never know, the second one could be there to fuck you up. Morning, two of us, have a good one.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, 3 of us. That's it. What?
He's asking you now.
Yeah. Shit, it is. All right. Yep. Yep, that route is a sideways kick. Right. That's it. Push down first and then pull up. Use your shock to give you that bounce over the log. These are very well manicured trails because the amount of, I guess, racing and events that normally go on here. Plus they've actually enacted bylaws for what's allowed on which trails, because you can see the bike signs have a bylaw, the horse signs have a bylaw. Just is trying to manage traffic. Hiking, walking, biking, horsing. Yep, well that one has come down. You know what that could be? The turkey hunting platforms too. So no going here, 2 hares screaming gobble gobble gobble. Up, jump the log. Oh, damn it, that's not it. Yeah, that might be a good idea.
And determine which way we keep going.
I'll have to use Trailforks for that because this thing, it looks like we're actually going to be doing both of these trails, but I don't know which way is next. Confusing. Lunchtime. Yep.